Hello everyone. I hope you guys doing well. And today I will teach another four new characters from the 30 consonants. Okay, and this is the part six. Okay, the sixth lesson one. Okay, sixth lesson. Okay, here we go. Okay, these are the four new characters, okay, from the 30 consonants for today's class, okay. So today's class is the sixth one, okay. Okay, so let's be start, okay. Um, okay, so first one is cha, 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 cha. Okay, it's this is cha. Okay, um, okay. So how to write cha? It's very easy. Okay, you can write it like this. Okay, first the height and like this, like this. Okay, this is cha, 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 cha. Okay, it's cha. Okay, then next one, the second one is this one is cha, 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 cha. Okay, it's cha. So how to write cha? You can write. It's very easy. Okay. Uh, one step. Okay. Then second. Okay. Sorry. Like this. Okay. This is cha. Sorry. Cha. 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 Okay. Cha. Okay. Then third one. Third one is pa. 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 Okay. It's pa. Okay. So how to write pa? Pa. Pa. You can write like this. Okay. This first one, then second step, then third step. Okay, you can write it like this. Okay, this is pa, 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 pa. Okay, it's pa. Okay, then the last one, the fourth one. The fourth one is ta, 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 ta. Okay, it's a ta. Okay, so how to write ta? You can write it like this first. Okay, this. Okay, then okay. So actually this like this. Okay, this one is ta. Okay, ta, 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 ta. Okay, so like this. Okay, once again, read with me. Okay, so the first one is cha, 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 cha. Okay, and then pa, 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 pa. Okay, then last one is ta, 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 ta. Okay, so these are the cha and pa and the ta, and these are the red color because these are the aspiration one and the medium tone. Okay, so that's it. This one, green one is as it is a lower tone, and it is an aspiration one. Okay, so it's the color is, that's why its color is different. Okay, so here in the consonants, here different colors. Okay, actually I explained about it before. Okay, yeah, that's it. Then I will show you there's some meaning of these characters. Okay, with the vowels, if we join the vowel and join or combine it with vowel, or combine the two characters, then there is it will take some meanings. Okay, so I will show you the meanings. Okay. Um, Here. Okay, so these are the meanings. So this one is the first one is cha. You already know it is what it is. So cha nga chang 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 chang. Okay, chang. Chang means beer. Okay, beer. Okay, chang. Chang is beer or when. Okay, okay. Win. Okay, it's a chang chang. Okay, this is cha cha cha. Cha means it's tea. Okay, and third one is panaro po wa poa 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 means this is poa stomach. Okay, poa poa. Okay, and this fourth one is ta naro to. Ta naro to. To means it's a list. Okay, it's to. Okay, so here cha ma chang cha ma chang cha 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 ta naro to wa poa poa poa. Okay, ta naro to. Okay. Okay, for today, that's it. And I hope it helps to you guys a little bit. And next week, I will teach another 4 new characters, okay, from the 30 consonants. And that is the last one, okay, from the 30 consonants. Okay, okay, that's it. Then, 도전아. See you in next week.